Give it to me like.
Okay, I'm gonna show y'all a little trick. If you do like I did, I got a custom button for my car. Yeah, I screwed up. As soon as I got it, I hooked it up and it dropped out of my hands and it ripped out the horn button. It ripped out the positive off of this. So, and you look at this, you think, oh my gosh, I need a whole new one. But I just had mine in my car, custom wrapped with the C5 logo on it. It looked amazing. There is a way to remove these, so in luck. You see the little tabs here? Or get you a razor blade and just trim around your tabs. And these will pop up. So it's not that difficult. Get your razor blade, trim the inner ones here. You can see the ones that are just... You see what I'm talking about. I did peel them up. I'd use a razor blade just to trim the sides. And then you can just take your time. Yeah, this one needs to be trimmed up top a little bit. I'll try to do this with my hand open. I should have it with one hand. And you just barely, you know. It'd take a second or two to get them all trimmed up, but it's not that difficult. Okay. You can trim out that, and a better way to do it is just take your time, because they're not easy to get up, but they will come up. And you see, you pull this one. There we go. Okay. You don't need to take the back three off, because you can see how it's laid in there. Come on. Okay. There we go. And now this side's up. And you can see she will open up to the pad. And just be careful taking that. Just peel up on this side. And this way. Nothing holding it. Good. And there you go. There's your horn button.
Give it to me like.